super curious kid, and today we're at Splash Time! Come, let's explore. This is the water playground. It's a water playground sand castle. Yeah, and it also has some guns like that. Water guns. Come follow us. Let's go to the slide. Come on, let's follow us. Show you the big pool. Big pool. And now we're gonna show you there's sharks. Just kidding. Quite deep, be careful. Ah! Don't worry, there are lifeguards anyway. Oh, it's quite deep. Check out my other videos here. If you like my channel, then please like and subscribe. I'm sending you my heart. Always stay super curious.